Ibang klase talaga si Lord, no? Kasi when you prioritize God at napunta ka dun sa version mo na pakiramdam mo hindi mo kailangan lahat, tsaka unti-unting nahuhulog sa'yo, no? And it reminds me that God is really in control. And you will finally understand the meaning of God is in control. Pag you're not expecting anything in your life, but God eventually give it to you, kahit hindi mo ine-expect, no? Na maiintindihan mo na whatever meant to happen o yung mga bagay na para sa'yo, it will always come to you pag i-prioritize mo si Lord. Kaya grabe po yung impact this morning sa akin ng Isaiah 60:22 that when the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. I hope you pause this morning, you reflect, you surrender it to God. Have peace na God is in control. Ibibigay yun ni Lord pag para sa'yo.